Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now today I actually want to share with you one of my friends in the morning, which is my razor and my Gillette Fusion 5. Now these razor blades are fantastic for shaving, and there's a couple of reasons why. First of all, if you notice, it has 5 blades that are extremely sharp, but at the same time they're very sensitive to your skin, so it's not going to cut you. It also has this little strip which is green on the very top, and it actually lubricates your skin. And on the bottom, the blue part is a guard, so it works perfectly fine. Now when I shave, I usually like to use shave gel, and then the razor and the shave gel goes perfectly hand in hand. It allows for a very comfortable shave, able to go up, down, to the sides, and every single time I get a very comfortable and healthy shave. So overall, I absolutely love these razors, and the fact that they come in a 12-pack lasts me about a year, which is fantastic. So highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.